In this episode, we are looking at the best 3D printer on the market for every price range. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Monoprice Mini Delta 3D Printer. This is one of the cheapest 3D printers. It comes designed in a steel frame encased in quality aluminum, ensuring its durability. 3D printing on this printer is free from errors, courtesy of the inbuilt self-calibration system that ensures precise leveling of the printing plate. It supports ABS and PLA printing filaments. Printing from Windows and Mac OS systems, as well as memory cards, is also possible with this 3D printer. FlashForge Creator Pro. This 3D printer comes in an all-metal design, ensuring that you can use it for a good number of years. The heat-resistant metal frame also makes it work perfectly regardless of the high intensity of printing works. It possesses an LCD screen to ensure fast and blunder-free 3D printing. ABS and PLA filaments are possible with this printer. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux OS. Printing from a handheld device is easy with the integrated USB port. There is also a memory card slot if you need to store some information. Dremel Digilab 3D20. This is an affordable, compactly designed, and very durable 3D printer. The printing area is covered to promote quality printing at a steady temperature. It also prevents young ones from injuries during the printing process. This 3D printer comes with an intuitive, easy-to-use LCD interface which enables 3D printing at top speed without errors. It supports the quality printing of work using PLA filaments. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.